In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam games not showing up in my library. If you've opened Steam and noticed that one or more of your games seem to be missing, don't worry. In many cases, the games are still on your account, but they may be hidden by a filter or placed in the hidden games section. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to check both of those possibilities so you can quickly get your library looking normal again. Start by opening Steam and going to your library. This is the first place to check because sometimes games don't actually disappear. They're just not being displayed because of the current view settings. Once you're in the library, look for any active filters or search terms. If something has been typed into the search bar, Steam may only be showing games that match that keyword, which can make the rest of your library seem empty or incomplete. You'll also want to make sure the correct category is selected. Confirm that games is chosen, since filtering by a different media type can prevent your game titles from appearing. While you're here, check whether hidden games are being filtered out from the main library view. Clearing these filters is often the fastest fix, especially if the issue started after browsing, sorting, or searching through your collection. If your game still isn't showing up after clearing filters, the next step is to check whether it was hidden by accident. To do that, go to the top menu in Steam, click View, and then select Hidden Games. This opens a separate section where Steam stores titles you've chosen to hide from the main library. Once you are in the Hidden Games list, look for the missing title. If you find it there, right-click on the game, choose Manage, and then select Remove from Hidden. This will place the game back into your regular library so it appears alongside the rest of your installed or owned games again. After removing it from Hidden, return to your main library and confirm that the game is now visible. If you have a large collection, using the search bar carefully can help you verify that it's back in place. Just make sure the search box is clear if you want to view everything. These two checks, reviewing your library filters and showing hidden games, solve a lot of cases where Steam games appear to be missing. If your game was simply filtered out or hidden, you should now be able to find it without any issue.